Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA has formed another low together with most cryptocurrencies here, but we're still holding the larger wave 2 support zone. Again, I can't highlight enough the importance of that 29-cent level. If that starts to break, then we might as well test the invalidation point down there at 22 cents. These remain the key levels that I've been preaching over recent weeks. 29 cents as really important level for a wave 2 correction. Any break below it would most likely lead to invalidation. It is not the same as invalidation. The invalidation point is down here at 22 cents. Short-term price action remains bearish. We've been watching here in the last few videos for a possible 5-wave move up. However, it remained a 3-wave rally. And quick reminder, we can really only confirm that a low is in place anywhere here as soon as we see the first 5-wave move up. Okay. This would have been large enough, but it failed to form that last 4-5 pattern. So therefore, no low could be confirmed, no low can be confirmed. But now as we're getting closer to those key pivots here, those key invalidation points, I think ADA is getting interesting, really interesting from a reward to risk point of view, from a long perspective, long trade perspective. But you have to keep it, you know, it's up to you how you handle that. But my view is positions need to be small and possibly spot only until we get a first reversal signal. We haven't had a reversal signal in this entire correction yet. What is a reversal signal? Well, a reversal signal would be a first 5-wave move up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Earliest reversal signal. But you don't want to buy up here, right? So you basically wait then for the 3-wave corrective pullback. That's at least an Elliott wave a classical Elliott wave setup. 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and then we can start to move up from there. I've also added another trend line, and I've changed the micro of this correction a little bit to a WXYXZ pattern. Careful, these are very rare patterns. They often don't appear, and therefore this isn't great because it now looks a bit like a 5-wave move down. But it's not impulsive to the downside. So I'm simply highlighting, okay, the short term is still bearish. Short-term trend is bearish, but we are watching for reversal, obviously, in this region. We've been watching for a while now, but there hasn't been a signal, okay? So watching for reversal and confirming a reversal are two separate things. So zooming into the micro, this is what really counts. If we say, okay, we are now in that Z wave to the downside, we label it as an ABC structure. The C wave should be a 5-wave move. You know, labeling this is not very reliable. I find that unproductive. Best is just to watch for a first 5-wave rally. So, I can add a resistance area here. Standard resistance would be the 50% retracement. So all the way up to 36.7 cents. Any break above it might be bullish, but we need the structure. That's key. Bullish. It's very small movements only, right? But we need a 5-wave move up. As you can clearly see, this here is only a 3-wave move up. I would need another 4-5 pattern. So at the moment, I'd be labeling that as an ABC structure. A, B, C. But if a 4-5 pattern emerges, then this could be an early reversal signal. It would likely be too small, though, to be reliable, but that would be the earliest signal we can get. If that comes with a break above resistance at 36.7 cents, even better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be what we need to see for a bullish scenario. Now, please be aware, this is obviously really micro counting. I just want to share with you how 5 waves would look like. And from an Elliott wave point of view, you hopefully in the last few weeks, you've understood as well the importance of watching for those 5 waves, because this was only a 3-wave move. I told you what we need to see for 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, would have needed one more high. And without those 5 waves, and I can't stress the importance of that enough, we have no reversal signal. I think in this current correction, this concept, this process that we go through, the value of that, it shows. Because otherwise, I would have told you, oh, look, this looks like, oh yeah, maybe we go up. But I can't confirm a low in place until we get that 5-wave move up. That saves a lot of people from getting trapped in long positions, my view, hopefully. Now, essentially how you play this is up to you. Looking at this then, there are certain Fibonacci levels that need to be reached. That could already be a third wave, okay? But we need another high. I need 5 waves. The problem is if the 5 waves end in resistance, it's not great, but it would be a start still. So I need to see a 5th wave that reaches basically at least, I would say 36 cents, 35.5. Obviously very small, but cool is that the 3rd wave here in yellow has reached the 1.38 extension. But it's only 3 waves. Need 5 at least to the 1.618 extension. So yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.